This is the Time 2 Resources Retrieval Practice Plus workbook for AQA GCSE Business. This covers topics 4 to 6, A4 and spiral bound, making it easy to use and student friendly. With a clear focus on retrieval practice, this workbook will help students to organise their knowledge to ensure that they have the foundation necessary. Features include retrieval practice, elaborative interrogation, links and quantitative skills. It clearly follows the specification. Key terms and diagrams. Asking why or explaining points to develop understanding. Data required to fill in tables. Retrieval of prior knowledge and formula and practice QS activities. Can be used standalone or with our portfolio of resources supporting the AQA GCSE specification, including our popular GCSE revision guide, available at time2resources.co.uk.